What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix a very common Dyson V7 and dare I say V8, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Now this issue is the pulsating issue, and it goes something like this. I'm going to talk about what's causing this issue and how you can fix it. Let's get started. So you're vacuuming your floors, just a normal day, and you're using your beautiful Dyson vacuum, and suddenly, while it's going strong like this, you begin dealing with this. This issue is very common. It's a pulsating issue in the motor, and there usually is two things that can cause it, based on my experience. The first thing is the filter up top. Now, usually the filter up top is very dirty and it needs to be changed. That is the first issue. Now, if you don't want to purchase a new filter, or you can't wait, regardless, you're going to have to wait for this issue, for this solution, but you can wash it with water and let it dry for about 24 hours, about a day, and put it back in, and that should solve your issue, and it should work again just fine. So that's the first possible issue. Now, if you checked your filter, it's clean, then that is not your issue. The second issue that could be making this pulsating issue happen is right in here. I know there's a lot of dirt and all that stuff, but try to ignore that. But right here is where the suctioning tunnel is through that vacuum roller, and sometimes that's clogged. Now, the best way that you can solve this issue is two ways. If you have a pair of tweezers or anything small, really, maybe two pencils you can use as a chopstick, you can go in and pull out whatever is stuck in there, because chances are you tried to vacuum something that's too big for the vacuum to suck. So what you can do is just pull it out with a pair of tweezers. Now, if you don't have a pair of tweezers, the other option is this one. I know, bear with me, I know that my vacuum is very beaten up, but the second way you can fix this is to open this up. Now, right here you have a diagram. I know you can't see it that well, but it's saying if you want to take out the roller, what you can do is pretty much you can use a penny and then turn it counterclockwise, and there you go. Okay, and you can pull this out, and this way it gives you more space to clean whatever or pull out whatever you need to pull out. And when you're done, stick it in there again, and what you can do is twist it clockwise, and it's locked in. There you go. By now, if you looked into these two issues, you should by now have solved the pulsating issue. Now, if the problem persists, you can maybe leave a comment down below, ask me. I'm gonna try my best to solve the issue for you. I've also went ahead and left a link in the description showing you, the link takes you to replacement filters for your Dyson. This way you can save some money without you don't have to buy the genuine Dyson parts and pay a fortune. So if you did enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.